Should people care more about doing the right thing or doing things right? What is to decide? Who decides what the right thing is and how to do it? And my version of the right thing is going to be different than your version of it. My behavior might be similar, might be the same, but possibly the inner motivations are going to be different. And so, like, how do you really get to that decision of should people be concerned with doing the right thing or doing the thing right? I know there are a lot of people, introverted sensors perhaps, might be concerned with doing the thing right. The methodical guardian nature archetype within them that's saying this is how we should proceed. We have to cross our T's and dot our I's. We have to make sure that things are done correctly so that we can uphold the continuity of life, of daily life, so that the human race can continue. Like that's the zoomed out version of what is going on there. I think it's pretty cool. Also, maybe introverted thinking might be thinking that this is how to do the thing right. Introverted feeling, this is how to do the thing right. This is how to think correctly in the situation, to feel correctly, to think about your feelings in a meta perspective. Extroverted thinking, there's a procedure. Why not do it this way? This is the most actionable way to get to the result that you want. So you should do it this way, if that result is the result that should be done. And deep down, there's the conscience that's saying, this is what we should do. This is what you should do. And this is how you get to that. This is how you get there the fastest, the most effectively, the most efficiently when dealing with people. You know, there's a right way to act. There's a right way to think about people, possibly. You know, extroverted feeling, this envoy, this unifying character is out there saying, like, this is the right way to act within this culture, with these people, this group. And this is the right way to act in this group with these people. That doesn't make one wrong. Doesn't make the thinking about the situation wrong, does it? Unless you're coming from introverted feelings perspective, perhaps, where you're like, this is who I am. Me acting differently in a different context with different people is a betrayal of who I am. And it's unfair to them. It's unfair to me. It's unfair to the world to pretend to be somebody that I'm not, to appease them. Introverted thinking, shit. That's a difficult one for me because I don't do it. I do it, but not at that level. It's so low. It's to be able to detach from a situation and observe it like a scientist, analyze it, not let my emotions get into play unless the emotions are the things that should be considered in the situation as a data point. It's just not where I go. It's not where my brain is. So I do want to know your opinions on that. But you see, there are tons of different approaches, different aspects, different ways of thinking about doing the right thing. So I don't really have a definitive answer. And I never will. Not on any of these questions. And that's not why I'm asking these questions. That's not why I'm making these videos about the questions. It's because I want to create a dialogue. I want to get some conversation going around it. I want to know your type and how you perceive thinking correctly or doing the correct thing, acting in the correct way. All right? So please let me know down below in the comments, and like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.